kids! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a star-shaped poppet toy. Are you ready to get creative? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. We're going to start by drawing a circle right in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our star. Next, we're going to draw a big star around this circle. Start at the top of the circle and draw 5 points to create a big star shape around it. Take your time and make sure the points are nice and even. Excellent!
Awesome!
Now, let's divide our star into 5 parts. Draw a small line from each point of the star to the center circle. Perfect! In each section of our star, we're going to draw small circles. These will be our poppet things. Start filling in the sections with little circles, and don't forget to add some inside the center circle too.
Awesome!
Well done! Our star poppet is ready. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to really make the artwork pop. Go over all the lines and make them nice and dark. Looking fantastic! Isn't it? Now it's time to color. Here are our color pens. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our star poppet really colorful and fun. First, red color. Next, orange color.
Cool!
Yellow color. Green color.
Awesome!
Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color.
Cool!
Deep purple color. Pink color. color. Light pink color. Fantastic job, everyone! Your star-shaped poppet toys look amazing. Thanks for drawing with us today. Don't forget to share your artwork with us and join us next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep being creative and have fun. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.